Hello everyone, my name is Quis the Tech Guru, and in today's little video, I will be showcasing a new website, which is Steam Unlocks. Now, Steam Unlocks is a website where you can get free Steam games for free, and also these games are pre-installed. So all you really need to do is just click the link, install the game, unzip the game, and then you're done from there. Now, like this website ranges from Fallout to Skyrim to Evo Sports, NBA, Madden, FIFA, like or even Ark is on here. So you can legit download any game that's on Steam off of here. And this website is honestly hands down the best website I've ever went to. For like if I want to like test out a game before I buy it, you know. Because of course, like I still encourage you guys to buy the game. I don't encourage you guys to just like pirate games, you know, because that's actually like I think that's actually illegal. So, but if you just want to test out the game, see how the game feels before you buy it, this website will definitely provide it for you. Now I'll be downloading Game Beast. So all you gotta do is click the game, whatever game you want to download, click it. You scroll down, you're gonna see the green jumping button right here where it says Game Beast or whatever game you want to install, size, and then you click it. It'll take you to another website where this website is load for 5 seconds, no robo verifications, no nothing like that, no ads. 5 seconds, hit download now, and it'll start downloading. See? Now once this is done downloading, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the game has finished downloading, and if you have WinRAR, all you need to do is to click the file, right click, and extract to. Now once you do that, it'll extract. Depending on the game, it may take longer. Game piece, it was not that big, so it didn't take that long. All I gotta do is click here, click here. Now you see this file right here. Let me make it bigger for you guys. So for your game, it will say like for example NBA, Madden, Ark. All you guys need to do is to click this, hit Run as Administrator. Yes. And voila, it loads your game. Like this website is honestly amazing. Like no other website pre-installs your game for you. This website pre-installs your game, and it's a guarantee work, which is amazing. The creators of this website, they deserve it, because like this is a good website. See, now I'm online, not online, but I'm playing. I can show you guys that it actually works. I'm actually like not like recording a different video. Alright, I'm loading into the match by myself because I have no friends. I'm lonely. Just like a little joke to throw in there. And see, there we go. I'm in the game. I'm moving around, jumping around, punching the air. And yeah guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that like and subscribe. Also comment down below what else you guys want to see me do on my channel. And guys, thank you guys for almost 3K subscribers. I really appreciate it. I never dreamed of me getting 3K subscribers. It's really amazing. And just thank you guys in general, because like you guys legit have made my whole YouTube channel. Like without you guys, I wouldn't be here right now, you know. So I'm just thanking you guys. I'm just so thankful. Like words legit can't even explain how thankful I am. So yeah, thank you guys so much. And yeah, until next time, peace out.